In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a polygon in Google Earth Pro. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is open Google Earth Pro, and then you want to go to the top here, and you want to click on this button, which says Add Polygon whenever you hover over it. So, click on that, and then from here, you can start by clicking where you want the polygon to be. So, I have this lake over here. I'm just going to go and kind of click around it like that, and as you can see, it's going to start shaping a kind of a polygon, okay? So, I'm just going to do that really quickly over here, just like this. I'm not going to be very precise because I do not want to waste your time here. So I'm just going to do it like that very quickly. There we go. And now let's say this is the polygon I actually wanted to add, okay? Now, whenever you're done, what you can do is simply go up here, give it a name. I'm going to name this one lake. And of course, you can give it a description over here. So for example, this is a lake. I'm going to click on style color. Over here, you can change the color of your lines like this. Press OK, and it's going to change it. You can change the color of your area. So if I went light blue, I can do that like this. I can change the view, altitude, measurements, etc. And then you can just click on the OK button. And as you can see here, there we go. I now have a lake over here. And that specific lake is, of course, a polygon over here inside this area. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.